Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the split screen feature on your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So to open several applications in split screen view, you have to first open them up. Then you can either split your screen by holding down the top bar of the application that you want to split and then drag it to one side of your screen. Then the other application will be positioned in the opposite side. We can adjust the size of each window by moving the invisible bar between them, and if you want to place more than just two applications on your screen, you can hold down the top bar, drag it to the top of your screen, and then select one of the available positions right here. As you can see, we can position up to 4 different applications on our screen at once. But if you want to use your split screen feature more efficiently, you have to create a virtual desktop. To do that, swipe 4 fingers up, then tap New Desktop. You can create as many as you need. Then on the second desktop, you can open some other application. Let it be maybe some other instance. Maybe we can use some Word here and Excel. Okay. No, we cannot use this. Maybe Surface app. And now we can easily switch between different windows just by dragging 4 fingers on our screen like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.